is just a quick little mail call. Do you ever get it when you order a package and you just completely forget what it was? Okay, first of all, we appreciate your continued support, OVR. Like personally written with a pen. Isn't that nice? Very nice. By Otter Valley Railroad Hobby Shop in Eastern Canada. Okay, so first of all, let's. Okay, another sugar cube speaker. That's for another project. And some vehicles. And look what we have here. A bulldozer by Woodland Scenics. It's a metal kit, which is really nice because I want to add a canopy and a hood and stuff like that. And you know, I mean, I don't know how detailed that is or what it looks like. Probably needs to be cleaned up a bit, but I'm going to really look forward to that because that's going to go on the layout just in front of the Valley Fruit place probably. We'll see, with overgrown a bit with some of that blackberry. And then this here, which I didn't really want to buy this, but this is kind of expensive, but it's a nice kit, and the reason why I like it is because it's plastic, so I can mod it and change it. And this, I'm going to use parts of this, the cab, the wheels for sure. And there's a really nice crane in here, like a Hiab. And there, I'll show it, like some more detailed shots of that. Okay, so I just want to review a couple of these vehicles here, okay, that I received in the mail. Let's get this out of the way here, this one first. Anyway, I was showing my wife, you know, she said, oh, she says, I've got something for you. You know, it gives me this little, you know, front end loader by, I don't know, Tracto or something, right? And I said, that's okay now. You know, she said, well, maybe you can shove it into the blackberries, you know. Anyway, I always wanted one of these when I was a kid, like the Tonka ones, the metal ones, you know. Remember those? I got a funny story, actually. My brother and I, when we were little guys, on the Saskatchewan River in Alberta, and I had found one with a missing wheel and stuff, and you know, on the outskirts of a yard, so I laid claim to it. But anyway, my big brother, we were down on the Saskatchewan River. We shouldn't have been, but there was a big ice flow going down the river, and he just grabs this thing and wings it out onto the river, and it lands on a chunk of ice. And I watched my dream tractor go down the Saskatchewan River, never to be seen. But it was yellow and had a black front loader like that. But anyway, I always remember that. But so then I want to just show you this cat kit. This by Scenic Details by Woodland Scenics. I mean, this is nothing special. You know, it's just a white metal kit, you know, or pewter or whatever that is. But I'll clean it up good, and you know, it'll make a nice derelict kind of cat sitting in the blackberry, sort of over by that open patch there. Maybe some of the tail end of the blackberry creeping up over it, you know. It'll be fun. Just needs to be cleaned up with a file and stuff. And there's the rad. Oh, the blade looks nice, though. Excuse me. Okay, and then I'll save this red guy for last because it's a really nice model I want to talk about for a minute. So I picked up this Trucks and Stuff. It was a few weeks back, I think. And, you know, it's okay, right? Like, I basically picked it up for the wheels and the tractor. Because I'm going to use this tractor because it's very similar to the Otter Co-op one that I want to use. And then I want to scratch build, I want to scratch build the hopper style, the dual hopper style with the pup. And in the middle it has this 3-axle section. like this. So that's kind of why I got that. But now I'm realizing that this is actually a fair bit bigger. It's sort of more industrial size. So I don't know. I don't know if that's going to work for me. So, but anyway, this is a really nice model. Really, really nice. It was a little on the pricey side, but it's by Promotex. www.promotex.ca. Anyway, beautiful kit. Because it is sort of a kit. There's some detail parts here. The checker plate's out of scale and the mirrors and stuff. But the potential for a kit bash is fantastic on this. And this is another item I really like about it, is it comes with this high ab. And look at this, how the stabilizer legs come out, you know. Quite nice detail there. And then the actual arm, the high ab, you know, rotates and comes out. Let's just revisit this high ab crane 187 scale one more time, because this really took me by surprise. It comes with this Herpa models, big heavy duty truck with the triple axle, you know, and behind. And I bought it because I wanted to use a lot of parts off of this for a kit bash, but I never realized this high ab was so nice. I mean, it looked pretty good, but let me just show you it for a second. Okay, so here's the main sort of base mount. You can see how the stabilizing legs come out, right? And the main crane pivots on the foundational base. And then watch this. You can see the detail on it, right? For 187 scale now, all the hydraulic cylinders function. See? And then watch. This rolls out. I mean, even the hook is scale, but watch. Okay, so that opens up. And this opens up. Okay. And then look at the extender here, the telescoping extender, how it comes out as well. I mean, is that not the nicest 187 scale, HO scale high ab you've ever seen? You know, with you know, the articulating hydraulics, you know, functioning. Like, that is so cool, man. Isn't it? I'm going to mount that probably on a gondola, you know, on the end of a gondola car with rails and ties in it, and I'll use it for a maintenance of way car, you know. So yeah, I think that would mount on there like this. Something like that anyway. Really nice little model though. Anyway, it sat for months. I had it saved, you know, on my bookmarks, and then I finally decided to grab it. So I like a good model like this for kit bashing. And this one will work out too. And the cat should look nice. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, and just thought I'd share that with you, and I hope that you have a great day.